how to get voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to get a voice chat on Roblox, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. First, you need to open up your Roblox. After opening, go with your settings, which is on the top right. Click on settings again. Once you're on your settings, you need to go with the account info. And here, you need to just scroll down and verify your age. If you've not verified your age, then you won't have the voice chat option. So you just need simply go and verify your age. You may have an option of verify my age under your age section. You can continue with your selfie or you can continue with your ID. Just go with proceed and verify. You'll have the identity verification. You'll need to prepare a valid ID and use a smartphone. Once the verification is successful, you need to go back to your settings and turn it on. To turn on, you need to go with the left side, and under left side, you need to go with privacy section. Under privacy, you'll have communication option. Go with communication. And under communication, you will have an option of microphone and camera input. Once you find the option, you can turn on your voice chat by enabling use microphone to chat with voice, or use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. You will have those options. You can go and turn it on, which will be under your privacy section. So the first and crucial step is to verify your age so that you will have the voice chat option. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.